Okay, so today we will be building a Lego airplane that looks like this. And we'll be starting with this piece and this piece. And we'll put them together. And then you take two of these and put them beside that piece. And then take another two and put them on top. And then you will take two more of those two pieces that looks like this, right there, and hook it on, and then hook two more of those angled pieces onto it. And then for the tail fin, you will take this piece and then you will hook it to here. And then take this piece and hook it on. And then take another angled piece and then hook it on again. And then you hook a piece that looks like this on it. And then you take these two pieces and hook it on, which are the wings. And take two more pieces, the same color, and put them on each side of the wings. Take these two, the edge of the wing, and put it on the end of your wing. Slide this together, making it a whole plane. And if you want air vents on top, you can put air vents on the top. And there you go. There is your Lego plane. Thanks for watching. Bye.